Have you ever watched a hockey goalie make an absolutely incredible game-saving block, dropping down to their knees in a powerful butterfly slide, and just marveling at how they do it without suffering a serious injury? It looks like such an intense maneuver, almost brutal, yet professional goalies perform these slides countless times in every single game, sometimes dozens of times. It truly makes you wonder, what is their secret? Well, goalies prevent injury when sliding on their knees primarily through a sophisticated combination of highly specialized protective equipment and very specific, refined athletic techniques. Their gear is meticulously designed not just to stop the puck, but also to absorb impact and distribute force across a wider area, while their movements are coached to minimize direct bone-to-ice contact and reduce overall strain on their joints. It is a true marvel of engineering and athleticism working together. The core mechanism behind this incredible protection lies deep within the multi-layered construction of their leg pads, which are commonly referred to simply as pads, and their dedicated internal knee pads. These leg pads are far from just flat blocks of foam. Inside, they feature a complex internal structure, including various densities of foam, rigid plastic inserts, and a robust, often segmented, core that provides critical structural integrity and support. When a goalie drops into the butterfly, these pads create a wide, stable, and surprisingly flat surface for them to land on. This design is crucial because it spreads the impact of landing over a much larger surface area, dramatically reducing the pressure on any single point. But even more critically, beneath the main leg pad, goalies wear specialized, standalone knee pads, often called knee and thigh protectors. These are incredibly robust, highly articulated pieces of gear that fit snugly over the knee joint itself, providing a vital layer of cushioning and, perhaps most importantly, preventing the knee from ever directly contacting the unforgiving ice surface or the potentially hard internal components of the leg pad. Without this dedicated knee protection, injuries would be incredibly frequent. For any hockey fan, understanding this means truly appreciating the sophisticated engineering that goes into every piece of goalie equipment. The specific part of the leg pads designed for landing is known as the knee stack. This component is specifically engineered with extra layers of padding and a strategic shape to create a soft, yet stable, platform for the goalie to land on. Goalies are meticulously taught through extensive training to land cleanly and precisely on this knee stack. This ensures their body weight is distributed as evenly as possible across these protective layers, maximizing the gear's ability to absorb shock. The technique itself involves a controlled, almost fluid, drop. They learn to land with a slight, athletic give in the knee, rather than a rigid, stiff impact, which further helps in absorbing and dissipating the energy of the fall. This controlled motion, perfectly combined with the exceptional protection of their gear, allows them to effectively absorb the shock of landing, and then, crucially, quickly recover and push off into the next safe position. Additionally, many modern leg pads feature a flexible boot brake, which is a specific hinge point at the ankle, allowing for natural ankle movement and flexibility without compromising the critical protection of the lower leg. Now, here's an insider detail often overlooked by even seasoned hockey fans: the critical role of the internal strapping system. While the outer, visible leather or synthetic straps hold the pads securely onto the goalie's legs, there's often a hidden network of inner elastic straps. These vital internal straps directly connect and secure the dedicated knee pad to the goalie's leg, ensuring it stays perfectly in place and doesn't shift, even during the most dynamic and explosive movements, like a butterfly slide or a lateral push. This guarantees that the crucial knee protection remains precisely where it needs to be at all times. Another fascinating aspect is the material chosen for the inner edge of the pad that actually makes contact with the ice. This is often a specialized, extremely durable synthetic leather, specifically selected for its exceptionally low friction properties. This allows goalies to glide smoothly and effortlessly across the ice once they've landed in the butterfly, further reducing any abrupt impacts or jarring forces on their joints as they move side to side. Ultimately, the remarkable ability of hockey goalies to execute those powerful, dynamic butterfly slides repeatedly without incurring serious injury is a profound testament to a dual triumph. Both ingenious equipment design and relentless, dedicated technical training. Their highly specialized gear, from the meticulously constructed knee stacks to the securely integrated internal strapping and low-friction sliding surfaces, works in perfect harmony with their precise, controlled landing techniques. This synergy not ably allows them to fearlessly protect the net with incredible agility and reaction time, but also ensures their long-term safety and effectiveness on the ice, letting us all enjoy their amazing athleticism game after game.